Okay, students, so if you have understand that what is the design of the thermometer and how the reading is taken through the scale which varies from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. Okay, students, so let us see how to use a thermometer. Okay, see, now this is a thermometer in my hand. Here is the mercury bulb. So you do not have to handle from here. It is a wrong way of handling the thermometer near to the bulb, because the bulb is the metallic bulb where it contains mercury inside, which will measure your temperature, isn't it? So when you have a fever, you what do you do your what do your parents do? The first thing, they take out the thermometer and they place down to your tongue, isn't it? Here, this way, isn't it? So before using the thermometer, it should be washed with the antiseptic solution, because each and every time the thermometer over here, they get some germs or the bacteria settle down, and it may be used by someone else in your home. So before you use the thermometer, you have to take care that you are washing this thermometer with some antiseptic solution. And as you can see, this thermometer is a glass made thermometer, isn't it? So you have to handle it with care. Okay, so yes, so what you have to do is you have to take this thermometer in this way and you have to give some jerks like this. See, in this way you have to give some jerks. Why you have to give the jerks? So that even if the mercury level has gone through this, yes, even if the mercury level has gone above 35 degrees Celsius, it has to come back to the original scale, that is below 35 degrees Celsius, and that is why you have to give some jerks to it. Yes, then what is the next step? You have to place the thermometer under your tongue and keep it at least for 1 minute. You are keeping the thermometer down to your tongue, and immediately if you are removing it, it will not tell you how much is the temperature of your body. So at least for 1 minute you have to keep it below your tongue. Okay, students, then take out the thermometer. If you keep it under your tongue and then you remove it, again you have to handle it here. You don't have to handle it here. Okay, you don't have to place your fingers over here near the bulb. You have to place them near the other end of the thermometer. Okay, so when you see, or we can take a sample temperature as say above 37 degrees Celsius. That is, we have already seen how to measure the temperature, isn't it? So if it is of 5 divisions, then how much it will be? If suppose it has crossed two lines, two smaller lines between the two consecutive numbers, then you will read it as 0.2 and 0.4 if there are only 5 divisions. But if there are 10 divisions between two consecutive numbers, then you will read it as how? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is how you will read the thermometer. And then when you remove this thermometer back, again you have to wash it with the antiseptic solution and keep it back to the place. So this is way how you understand the or measure the temperature of the body. So you have to perform one activity at your home. You have to measure the temperature of your family members. Okay, now the activity is regarding, you have to measure or you have to take the minimum 10 samples of your friends, but because you are at home and you cannot go out, you have to take the measurement only of your family members who all are available at your home. Say 3 samples, 4 samples, or 2 samples of your mom and dad. Okay, so you have to take the sample measurements and try to collect the information that how much is the temperature of your mom, how much is the temperature of your dad, and how much is your temperature. Okay, so follow this activity and If you get the conclusion, then write down and send it me in the WhatsApp group. Okay students, so I hope you have understand how to measure the clinical thermometer and how to read the temperature, how to read the scale. Okay students, thank you. And one more I have over here, that is digital thermometer near me here. So this is the digital thermometer. It is very easy and easily you can understand the temperature, because directly you get the temperature written in a written form over here. First you have to set it to 0. Yes, see, it is in a degree Fahrenheit. So first you have to bring down to 0 here. See, now it has come to 0. Can you see this? That is LO, means 0. And then you have to place it here. See, it is showing the temperature. That is 97.8, isn't it? Yes, so right now my temperature is 97.8 degree Fahrenheit. So here digital thermometers, can you listen to the sound? Once it records the temperature, it gives such kind of sound. Okay students, then again you have to set it back to 0, or you can just off it. Yes, so this is an easy way to measure the temperature. So nowadays, instead of such kind of thermometers, people are using digital thermometers. Okay, thank you students.